This morning at 10 a.m., I went to get gas, and I noticed that Monterey Avenue was quiet. I got onto Monterey Avenue in Palm Desert at the intersection between Palm Desert and Rancho Mirage, and was able to see that Interstate 10 was almost completely closed. This drone footage shows one of the lowest parts in the Coachella Valley, where the water from the Indio Hills and from Mount San Jacinto side converge to flood the lower part of Interstate 10. It looks like travelers will have several hours before they have the opportunity to move anywhere along I-10 based on the amount of water that the Caltrans is trying to move.